What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be addressing this little dent that I have right here. My bumper brackets aren't mounted on yet, so I'm going to do that first because that might actually bring it up a little, and then after that we're going to go ahead and see what we could do here. You can see when it first got hit, we kind of banged it down a little, but it wasn't enough to bring it, so I might have to bang it down some more. There really isn't any other way to pull it down without having to like drill holes or anything. But let me go ahead and take off all of this as well. Okay, so here's the bumper all mounted up, and you can see I'm not sure if the gap is supposed to be like that. I don't remember now because I'm kind of doubting myself, but I think it's supposed to be a little lower and kind of flow with this right here. So I think all of this needs to be pushed down a little, but this is the worst part, and this is where it was hit. So kind of went in like that. So pretty much this whole panel is off, as you can see here. So I mean, if I could just kind of get it to where it's a little bit gappy, I'll be happy with that, like here all the way throughout. And if I could just lower this up to where it doesn't hit my finger and like that, I think I'll be happy with it. So maybe I shouldn't do that, scratching the bumper. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take all of this off and then see what we could do. So take off the tail lights. Okay, so I got the tail lights off, and you can see how old these seals are. Super crusty. Got to remove those. All of this super old and crusty. It just flakes off. And pretty bad shape. There you go. It just comes right off. So what I'm gonna do is heat up this panel with the heat gun, and that way the metal will be easier to work with when I try to bend it or bang it out. So we'll see if that works, and then yeah, I'll get back to you after I heat gun it. Okay, so it's a new day, and trying to fix this dent right here with the hammer, and it wasn't really working out that well. So I went to Harbor Freight and I picked this up. It's a hydraulic ram pump. So what this does is it helps push dents out from the inside. And let's check this out. So it comes with a lot of different components, and these are all different push sizes that you can use, and you hook it up to this other end right here like that, and then you just go ahead and pump away and it'll start pushing out. So let me set one up, and we'll use it onto the Corolla. Let's see what we could do. Okay, you guys can see I used the brace here so that it could support it on both ends and distribute the weight evenly. And then I use another piece of wood that's a little thinner on the inside right here. That way it pushes this groove right here, because as you can see, this groove is what's bent and it was hit. This might be a little bit off, but that's okay. The license plate covers that. What I'm more worried about is this gap line right here, and so I want it to be a little more even, and you can see it's closing up already. I need to push this side more, but what I'll probably do is push the actual inside, and I kind of need to push to hammer this up a little, so I think this will actually fold in and stay in. So let's go ahead and remove the rear bumper, and that way we'll have more room to work with. Okay, so I just got done using this again, pushing this out right here, and I use a block of wood as well, so it's kind of evenly distributed, and it's coming out pretty good. I'm using this hammer, but I need to get a actual like metal working one that's flatter. That way I could actually hit the high spots and get it to be lower and more even. But it's coming out pretty good. This is still a little bit crooked, but it's turning out better than I thought it would. So I might have to wait till I could get that metal working kit so that I could actually hit the highs and lows of the areas that need to be worked on. But for now I might just leave it like this until I could get until I go and get the kit. But it's looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and put on the bumper again and kind of see where we're at gappage wise. See if I need to push any more on this side as well, because it seems like it was hit like right here straight on. So yeah, let me go ahead and put on the rear bumper, and then we'll see where we're at. Alright, so I just fitted the bumper on, and you can see the gap is a lot better now. There's not that much gap anymore, just this little area right here, but I'm thinking that's because the bumper is droopy. As you can see, it starts drooping right here and it goes down, and then it comes back up like right here. So I'm gonna have to maybe slip some cardboard in between the bumper to kind of let it go back to its shape here, and maybe push out a little more right here, because I'm thinking that this part is pushed in a little too. So, but overall it looks pretty good now. Looks way better than before. It was about like a whole finger's gap before, and now I can't even fit a finger in there, so that's pretty good. And then the reason why I wanted to fix this panel was because I have this, and I've had this for like a couple months now, just haven't put it on. So what I got is new tail lights. I got OEM seals here, brand new seals from Toyota. Here are the part numbers if you're interested in that. Also got these seals that go into the middle, I think. And these taillights are the JDM red lines. So these are the red line taillights. Let me try to take it out. And here they are super clean. So these are actually Treno tail lights, but I like the look of these a lot more than just your traditional 11 ones. And there's like a little hairline crack right there, but it's not bad. But overall they're super clean. You can see it's not grayed out yet, everything is still black. And the back side is super clean. It comes with all the harness as well. And I got these from Jacob as well. Paid a lot for these, but they're definitely worth it, and they're really gonna change the way the car looks. So yeah, let's go ahead and test fit these on. I'm not going to keep them on because I don't really want to put them on until I actually paint the car. But yeah, let's go ahead and test fit it on and see how it looks like with these. Alright, the tail lights are on, and man, it looks amazing. I've always wanted these tail lights for so long. I really think it changes the way the car looks entirely. And I put on this trim piece here as well. This is the cookie one, and it looks super good. Oh man, I can't wait to actually finally run this setup once everything's painted. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
But yep, so just gonna leave it like this for now. Gonna work on this one more once I get the kit in, but I think it looks pretty good now. For the most part, it's pretty straight now. Super happy with the results, and I'm gonna put these back in storage because they're too precious to just be sitting out here and getting hit by the elements. So yeah, that'll probably be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the tail lights as much as I did. Super happy. Like I said, there's still more parts coming in for this car, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm getting for it. And so yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.